Welcome back to our series of webcasts on the estate planning process. In this session, we're going to talk about the basic steps involved in estate planning. And as you see here, the first and foremost, and probably most important step in this process is gathering data about our client. That's usually done in an initial meeting. We also have an organizer document that we use to help gather some of that data. But we need to know personal situations, spouses, kids, things of that nature. We need to get a good handle on your financial situation because that's going to impact what we need to put together in your estate plan. And that financial situation includes not only the values or approximate values of assets and things that you own, but how you own them. Are they just in your name, or do you own property between both husband and wife, or some of the kids' names on the accounts? That's important in how we put together this plan. So gathering data is very important. The other piece of that gathering data part is learning your objectives. What are you trying to accomplish in your plan? Obviously, we got to incorporate that into your estate plan. So we need to know what you have in mind with respect to your estate plan and financial planning. From that, we'll design your plan. We may talk a little bit about that in the first meeting, but then we'll go back, we'll put together a plan that we think makes sense for you. We'll get together with you and review that plan, go over the documents that we've drafted, for example, that we think are going to implement this plan. From that review meeting, we may have some changes, things that we need to switch up, but we can take care of that. And then we'll get together and implement that plan. A lot of that involves signing the documents, certainly, that we prepare. Part of it also involves change in beneficiary designations, making sure that retirement accounts and life insurance that are passed by way of beneficiary coordinate with the plan we may have put in place in your will or trust or other documents. And then finally, and again as important, we think it's necessary to review this on maybe a couple year basis or so. We need to get together and see if there's been any changes to the family situation, financial situation, legislative changes, tax law changes that might impact your plan. How do we update your plan? So periodic reviews are real important in this process. When we get back together, our next segment, we're going to talk about the team involved in the estate planning process.